In this video, I'm going to show you a type of Facebook or Meta ad campaign you can use to promote a sound on Instagram, meaning you can promote your song in the Instagram app for people to use it as a sound as a way to encourage more people using your sound in their UGC or user-generated content creations on Instagram. And that sounds confusing for you. Don't worry, I'm going to explain it a little bit more. So essentially what I mean is every song that you distribute, assuming you choose to distribute it to Facebook and Instagram, has a page on there in which you can see how many times it's been used in a reel. And it's the same on TikTok. It's also on Facebook, but this is Instagram here. And essentially people will try to get more people using their sound. And there's a lot of ways to do that, but there's one way you can do it with ads, which is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now, this was originally brought up to me, I think 6 months to a year ago. Someone asked, how can I promote my sound? And they showed me some examples of people using ads to drive people to their sound. And they were like examples from like decently major sources, like some major labels or at least some big artists. So we did it and they had great results with it. And I just never thought it was that significant, so I didn't think about it. And then a couple weeks ago in my community, a couple people have been asking questions about how to do it. So I figured out how to do it. I mean, really, I was just trying to remember what I did back then for someone else. But I ran this campaign, and I don't want to say that this is like an ironclad, this is the way to do it, because what I really want is for you to try it if this is something that's important to you, and then report back in the comments how it goes. Because the people that I did this with 6 months to a year ago got some great results. This case, this particular campaign, I had flopped for a variety of reasons that I will explain once we get through the other side. But this is how you do the campaign. We have a brand new Meta ad campaign. If you don't know how to go to Meta ads, you just go to ads.facebook.com. That should take you there. If you don't have an account, you'll have to make one, but you should know you're there when you're in Ads Manager. Not Ad Center, not the boosted thing from your phone, but Ads Manager on the desktop. You're going to want to create a traffic campaign. Now, the reason why we're doing a traffic campaign, if you know me at all, you know that I generally hate traffic campaigns, and that's true. However, there are certain circumstances where you can't track things all the way to the place you're going, and this is one of those circumstances. The best we can do is a traffic campaign. You would never do a traffic campaign for Spotify, by the way. Never. It pretty much never works. You'd want to do a conversion objective, which if you're wondering what that is, check out this video right here for more context. But going in here, the way I set this up is I put in some tier 1 countries, I believe, which these are the tier 1s. I targeted people 18 to 45 who like bands that are similar to the music that I have. And I ran it only on these Instagram placements. The reason is I want people to use the song in an Instagram video. I'm going to promote it on Instagram. Also, these are good placements that I use for other campaigns like Spotify promotion or streaming promotion in general. Now, the kind of hack part here, or not hack, but the thing that makes this all work is making it easy for people to share the music. And essentially that comes down to this link here, this reel link, which is exactly what I have open here. Now, a lot of people don't know how to find this. You can't find this on the web browser. You have to, as far as I know, get it from the phone. So the way that it works is you go on Instagram and you search for the sound. All right, so here we are on my phone, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for my song. So I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm going to type in, this song was Headlocked, and I'm going to click search. And I want to go to the audio section up top. And here we see it. So what I can do is in the very top right, there is, you don't want the arrow, you want the 3 dots, and then you could do copy link. So that link that I just did is the exact link that I have here. This is how I got that link. So you have to go on the phone, you grab the link, and you get the link, and then you put it in your ad. So this is why we're using a traffic objective and not a conversion objective. You probably could rig up a landing page and take it in there, but I don't know if it would be worth it. But that's another reason why I want to hear people's feedback on this, because it seems like there's some demand for people to promote their sound. And they have various strategic reasons for wanting to promote their song. This thing, it's a very specific strategy that people will have where they want to promote the sound and want to encourage UGC content or user-generated content. And this is a way to promote it. Now, it might be best to do it in a traffic campaign like this. It might be better to do some type of landing page. It might be better to do a different strategy all in all. But this is where you come in. If this is a strategy that you've wanted to incorporate but never knew how to do it, this is the method that I'm proposing. Please let me know in the comments what has worked for you, because I will try other things and make more videos about this in the future. And if we can figure out a viable strategy, then we all learn together as a group. Now, let me go through why this campaign failed. One reason is I only spent $9. So I didn't run this that long. I really just wanted to see that this would be like a reasonably viable cost per click 13 cents, super cheap per click. I'm doing this in tier 1 countries, right? So if I go to countries here, most of it came from Panama, but even in the US, it was 23 cents. I probably would have preferred the countries to be more spread out. If I saw this, it was mostly one country, I probably would have removed them so that we could have had it spread across. But either way, proof of concept here. Only spent $9. Those are the countries we got. We didn't get any music generations, but it was only $9. That's one reason why I think this didn't work. But the other reason why this didn't work is because this is an alternative metal song. I don't think that this style of music is as conducive to people adding songs to their UGC content. I think that more people would be much more likely to do pop songs, hip hop songs with really like compelling lyrical moments that are just so super shareable. Pop, hip hop, EDM, R&B, that stuff I feel like is much more like stuff you're going to use in UGC created content. So I think that was a bad call on my end. I shouldn't have picked my metal band. I should have picked, one of my other artists in my label, pop artists, or I should have picked even my own electronic music that just would be more conducive to this arrangement. So trying more budget, trying maybe bigger country distribution, trying to do with the type of music that's more conducive to this type of thing, and maybe a part of the song that's more conducive to sharing. And then lastly, seeing how this worked over a longer duration, and if it doesn't work, trying it with a conversion-based objective. So, this video, I wanted to show you what I've learned, what I have tried, and then get some feedback from you. So please, if you've tried this, or if you had good results related to this, let us know in the comments, because I will make a new video and help everyone else know how to do this. So I hope you found this interesting. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn how to promote your music on streaming platforms, check out this video right here. And this video under it is whatever the YouTube algorithm thinks you should watch next. So hopefully it's a good recommendation. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.